Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah and today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair, well, for the first time. So all you need is a comb, Dax hair grease, and the blow dryer. So this blow dryer has 3 settings: hot, cool, and warm, and you could either use it on high or low air. So I'm using low air but warm heat. Now I'm using a comb to further detangle my hair so I can get it I don't want my hair completely straight, but you know, at least a lot more stretched than it is now. And I'm going through it with the blow dryer again. Now I'm going to apply the Dax hair grease and twist up my hair. Throughout this video, I was alternating between cool and warm heat because I did not want to apply that much heat on my hair. And since this is the first time blow drying my hair myself, I just wanted to see how it would look like. I also realized that when I was blow drying, I sometimes blow dried in big sections, so that is also why it's not as stretched as I want it to be. I wasn't really surprised because I know I didn't stretch it that much because I didn't want to use that much heat, but my twist outs usually look like this, so I was expecting it to be a bit longer. So here I am combing it out to see what it looks like all together. I wasn't too happy with the results, but here I'm going to insert a picture of how my hair usually looks like when it gets blow dried. So this was the look I was going for, but thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.